So hello friends, now we're gonna create this collection page. So inside this collection page we have some two parts. First is filter and second is collection of our all products. So here is one sort method and here is filter methods. One is filter by category and second is filter by price. We can filter these products based on these two filter categories, and in this video we will create this. So to create this we will start creating from this filter section, and after that we will create this all collection section. So let's started with this filter function. So come to the VS Code and start to build the collection page. So here I will create the div, so it will be a container of both sections. So here I will write one comment. It is a left section or left side, which is filters, and it is inside this div we have one h1 known as category, and h1 filter, and after that we have one ul, and inside this we have li, and inside this li we have these two components. One is input and second is inputs label. So first I will wrap this ul inside a div. It will be ul, or I think it's not necessary. Yes. So inside this li we have this checkbox and the label. So first create input. Its type will be checkbox, and after that I will give some id to this input. Id will be box, and I will create input. I will create now label. It will be box 1, and here will be label. So label is beauty. HTML for box 1, and it will be beauty, and after that we have this same content in 3 control V. So it will be box 2, box 3, and this is the last one, box 4. So also it will be box 2, HTML for box 2 and HTML for box 3, and this one is HTML for box 4. So this label will point to this input, and this label will point to this id's input, which is box 2 and input. So I will change the name of this. It will be fragrance. So here is fragrance, and it will be furniture. Control C, Control V, groceries, and here will be groceries. So let's check changes are reflected or not. So here the changes are saved, but the our navbar is position fixed, so it is relative to HTML. So we need to put the margin to this container from top. So I will give some styling. Its height, width, and height will be 100 VH. Width will be 100 VW. and this is the custom sizing we give in notation of bracket, and margin top or margin y of 5% of desktop. So I think it will be visible. So as you can see, this is visible. So come back and put here padding of 4. So let's style this filter, and its text size will be 3XL, and its font will be semi bold, and it will be uppercase. So let's check. Yes, so this filter is edited. Is it same as this filter? Yes. Is it? I think margin top will be more, 7%. Yes, it is better. But this left side has width only 30% or 20%. So I have modified this width, and let's take the border right of 2 pixel. So let's see. So it is taking this size, so it is good. This li class name, it will be flex, and of gap of 2, and margin of 2. So let's see. So this checkbox and beauty, I have added this space between this checkbox and category. So let's copy this and paste for all LIs. This will be same for all the list items. I think I need to increase the width of this left side. I think it will be 30%. No, I think 25. Yes, it is perfect. 22. It will be flex call, and item center, justify center, and gap of 4. No, and it will be justify of start, justify to start. Yes. I am removing this, it is not better, and putting over here class name and this. So gap of 2, I am reducing gap of 1, I am not giving gap. Let's see the differences. So I think here will be margin padding of 6. Yes, this is correct, and this UL has a border of 2 pixel and padding of 4 and rounded of MD. Yes, it is better. And I think I need items start. Items will be center. So this is unordered, so it is not labeling. So what logic will apply here? I think text left, text align right. Let's see, is it working or not? Yes, I will put it for all the allies and see difference. Control V, Control V, Control V. So let's see, it's not working. So what I'm gonna do, justify, I am replacing this and let's see. Yes, it is working. And what let's see, it will be center. Spelling is spelling mistake, center, and its text will be center, and also for this is same, and anyone is remaining. Yes, this center. Let's see, I should work this, I think. I need to give width to this UL. So the all allies take width with respect to this UL. So I am gonna give width of full 100%. So now see, it's not working. Width of 100% or full? No. Width of 22%. Oh yeah, I changed another. It should not for this UL. So it is looking better. Yes, it's look better. I'm still giving that here. So here I am gonna write category filter type, which is category. So here I am gonna write category is. So here this filter is used to filter the all products based on the category. So let's style to this category a word. I'm gonna style this class name. Its text will be 2XL or AXL, and it will be font will be normal. Let's see changes. Yes, it is reflecting. So I'm gonna give margin to this UL. This UL margin of 1 rem, which is 4. Only top from top. So empty. Yes, here is that gap of margin. Let's check it is same or not. Yes, almost it is there. There are some differences. Let's make it margin of 3. let's put margin of 3 for here, also here. Let's see the changes. Yes, it is looking same, like, yes, it is same. So let's build this filter by price. So here what I'm gonna do, I will create the array of this all product prices. So I will put all these prices in array. So let's create one array. Here I will create one array const price array, which is array of prices, and first is 0 to inside this brackets 0 to 19, comma 20 to 29, comma 30 to 39, inside this 30 to 39, comma 40 to 49, like this for all. I think I copy this. Yes, I will copy this and paste over here. 49 almost here, and I will put inside the this, and comma inside this, and comma inside this, and this, comma so let's format by clicking shift alt and F. So it will format our code. So I have created the price array, and I will render this all the prices in this block. So let's create this block like this. So just create, and I have this, and first I am gonna create that block which is UL. So let's close this UL and create a new UL. So I'm gonna create UL, inside it li, and it has, so inside this UL simply I am gonna write these brackets, and inside this we have price array and dot map method to traverse on whole array, and in this we have price. We give get price, and based on this price we will return a single li which contains let me just show you, inside this bracket, and we're gonna return a single list item which is li. So this li will have this property. So inside this li you're gonna write this price. Yes, so this is price. Let's see, is it visible or not? Yes, as you can see, this is working perfectly. So let's create the heading which is filter by price. Let's write over here h1 capital filter by price. I'm gonna do some styling on this filter by price heading. So I'm gonna write class name in small case, and inside this the text will be Excel, which is bigger, and its font will be a normal, which is normal font. So let's see the changes. So here the filter by price h1 is visible to us. Let's give some margin to this. No, we will give the margin to this. I'm gonna write class name and it has margin of 1 rem from top or y. Yes, and also it will has a border of 2 pixel and rounded of EMD, which is medium, and also it has some padding which is 4 and it is also 1 rem, so it is same as that. So let's see. Let's style this class li. Let's style this li, which will class name, and it has some margin from y, which is vertical of 4. Let's see how it is looking. Yes, so text will be center. Let's see it is center or not. Yes, as you can see, this is centered. Let's see this and this. So it is looking very well or same exact. Its text will be LG, I think. It's bigger. No, it will be SM. This is very small by default. Yes, this is well. So if I hover on this, so its olive border will visible. So let's create this. If hover on this li, if I hover on this li, so its border left will be visible by 2 pixel, and its color will be black. So if I hover and its border left color will be black. Let's see. I hover. Yes, this is working fine. Yes, it's working. So I want to reduce this scroll bar. So this scroll bar is visible. To close this, just go to index file, index.css, and here, or go to app.css, not in index.css, and write here universal selector and colon webkit scroll bar, and its display will be none. So now let's see, is it working or not. I am reloading. My hotspot is closed. I think it should work. Syntax is right. Let's refresh page. So now you can see the scroll bar is closed. No, it is different. I think error. What is error? Let's clear it and see. it's not working. What is the error? Here app.jsx at 5 line. app.jsx where is 5 line collection. Where is collection page? Here. Control C. What is error? Let's undo. Yes. So what is the error? I think error is here. Control Y. So let's see, is it working or not? Yes, here is working fine. So what the error is going on there? Yep. Go to collection page and it is working. So let's undo the app.css. Control Z. Yes, now see, is it working or not? I think it is working now. No, it's not working. Why? I will close it and put in index.css and simply I will select the HTML. Yes, it is working now. So as you can see, here is no scroll bar. So I have disabled this scroll bar. Now if I hover, it is working fine. So now what we will create, my products are not showing, my network. So now we will create the right side of this all collection page. Let's first we will create this all collection name heading, and after that we will create this sort method which will sort elements or products in high to low, low to high, and in relevant. So let's create these two components, and after that we will create these products. So come to the collection page and I will close this first div right side, and is it right side? No, it is right side here. So here I will create one comment known as right side all products. Inside this we have all the data. So first we have one div inside this div which is h1 heading, known as, what is the h1? Let's copy it and save here. Control C, Control V and paste over here. So after that I am gonna create one select, and its name will be sort. Also ID will be sort, and its option will be first option high to low. I think relevant, and second one is option second value will be low to high, and third one is high to low. Option high, low. Let's see is it working or not. So I'm come to here, it's not working. Why? Let's see. Give some styling to this container, class name, and what styling I am giving this. Same styling I'm gonna do for this right side container. After that, this heading is not showing and anything is not showing. Why? Why? What is the error? Oh, its width will be 78%. Let's see. This border is coming here, so let me check. Left side. Oh yes, I haven't created the display flex to both container, so here will be flex and of gap of 4, and items will be center, justify will be between. So let's see is it working or not. Yes, as you can see, here is our heading and here is our solid box, but here is nothing showing. So write relevant, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Y, relevant, low to high and high to low. So, and this relevant will be the default selected, default checked. So here you can see relevant is defaultly selected and low, high and high low are the non-selected. So I'm gonna create border to this select. So I will give some styling border of 2 and padding from Y will be 2 and padding X will be 4. Let's see is it working. And routing, the rounded will be MD. Yes, so it is working. And for this display, right side container, and it will be inside a container div, and it will be inside this, and I will give the flex to this div. Flex, item center, justify between, and width will be full. So let's see. Yes, so our sorting is here and all collections are here. Let's design the all collection heading, class name, and all collection text has XL or 2XL, no 3XL, and its font will be bold, semi bold, semi bold, and let's see. Yes, it is looking better, exactly same. So let's design this. I sort colon relevant sort colon low to high, sort high to low. Let's see changes. Yes, sort relevant, sort low to high, high to low. Yes, here will be a single spaces here. Yes, now it is looking good. So let's create or generate this dynamic items or products. Let's go to our collection page, and over here I will close this div. Not this, I will close, not closing. After that, so this is one div, and I will create another div. So inside this div all our products will placed. I am gonna generate all the products. Before using products, I am gonna use products from our context API. So extract all the products from is equal to use context which is shop context, and it will automatically import. Let's map through all the products. Dot map, it will give us item, and we will return item and slash. We will pass first thumbnail is equal to item dot thumbnail, comma, and next is title is equal to item dot title, and third one, what is third one? Category, price, and quantity. Category, price, and third one is quantity. Quantity will be item dot quantity. So let's see, is it working or not? Go to collection. So now you can see all the products are fetched from the API, and it is exact that which we want to create. No, this is. So let's create grid for this all products. This is a parent of all the products, and I gonna create grid calls 1 in default, and grid calls 2 where for MD, and for the large screen LG grid calls will be 3, and for the very large Excel screen grid calls will be 4. So now it is a responsive. So give some margin from top and bottom. So here will be margin of 4 I think, margin top of 8. Yes, it is looking good. And clear this border. Where is this border? This border is given here, I think. Yes, this border, Control X. So now it is looking good, but this is scrolling, and our sidebar is ended here, but our products not here. So let's make it scrollable. And what is the parent of this? Parent is this. So let's make it overflow hidden. Class name overflow flow will be hidden, and its height will be 100 vh and width will be 100 vw. Let's see. So overflow is working good. And where are the products? So this is the container of products. So its overflow y will be overflow y auto. Let's see. It's not working. Y overflow y will be scroll. I think it's not working. I think it should be for Control X and for this container. Yes, let's see. Yes, it is working. Yes, it is working fine. This space is not required, so I'm gonna reduce that. It will be 6. Yes, it looking fine. So now successfully we have created the UI of our collection page. So after that we're gonna implement the functionality of filter by category and filter by price, and also we're gonna create the functionality of sorting from high to low, low to high, and in relevant price. So and after that we're gonna create, if I click on this image or product, it will navigate to another page, and it will change the link or source of the our window. And also we're gonna create the functionality of add to cart, and if I click on this plus, the quantity will be incremented, and if I click on this, the product will be added to our cart. So in a later video we will create that functionalities.